welcome to a video of the Nerd Chronicles. This is my first video and I'm excited to start.
This is Bowden and I am Max. I'm a special visitor today. And today we will be putting these bread, M&Ms, and mac and cheese into a microwave. And seeing what happens.
This was your high quality mic. Look at that. Look
Yes.
how high quality that is.
Okay, yeah.
Look at my phone.
Okay, guys.
That's so
So,
painful. You suck. It's like the 5th time you've done this today.
No, it was a treat. Okay, so we're gonna just put this in the microwave. Max, get up.
Okay.
Okay, and then
So
up.
we'll put it in for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
No, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Are we gonna
And we are gonna wait. So
No, we're gonna
right now we're going to go outside.
Okay, so wait, no. This is gonna be a gaming channel mostly, and okay.
Yeah, today is it's the weekly vlog right here.
Okay, guys.
The once in a lifetime. It's probably never gonna happen again. Soon we'll be playing Fortnite every day at 7 o'clock.
You can skip this part if you want.
Yeah. Go on for like another minute. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down and interview you people. You guys are Oh, look! Rexton! Rexton, we're being a YouTube video. Hello, Rexton.
Limits.
What is that?
What?
Let's go, Greg. Bye. Bye. No, we're not. This is
Okay, fine.
Guys, stop. Hi, guys. Today we're gonna sit. Alright.
No, okay. So,
We're just waiting.
let's count down. Let's count down. 30.
No, don't count
29.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14,
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, you know what? Stop it.
Okay, no more.
I will.
Okay, so now we're gonna take it out.
It's probably gonna burn yourself.
Okay,
to death.
just take it out, Max. Is it hot?
Oh, burning. Okay, guys. So this is why we need
Paper towels.
trusty paper towels.
Okay.
Okay, I can get it out, Max.
Maybe we should put it in the blender and then see what happens.
No, that's
Stop.
what is that stuff? Look at that. What is it? Okay, take it out, Max.
Wait,
Come on.
guys. Wait.
Come on, Max. Don't drop that. Don't drop it. Okay, I got it, Max. I got it.
Okay. Guys.
No.
So
Might
guys,
get another one that goes
it's
below.
it's really weird.
And then just nothing.
It's really weird, guys. We will be releasing the
loop after the microwave.
Jerry Joseph Rexton.
What? That's not. Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, here's what happened.
Oh my god, it smells disgusting.
It smells terrible.
You lost the color, guys. So this is what it looks like in the beginning. This is what it looks like now.
Okay, ready, guys? Since I like M&Ms, I'm gonna try the M&Ms.
Guys, we're gonna try the M&Ms.
Okay.
So what happens when you try to eat
M&M.
that? Probably tastes like mac and cheese and stuff. Yeah, mix it up in there, Bowden.
Okay, now let's stir it
Oh.
up.
I know what you guys are missing. Boom, give me some.
So guys,
So guys, this is what we made.
there's some chips. We're adding chips now. What is
Now,
this?
we're gonna put it back in the microwave
Okay.
for 30 seconds and see what happens.
Okay, guys.
15. 1-5.
Okay.
So
Are you ready
it's
for this?
too hot to grab. So we're gonna be microphone dude. Okay.
Okay, so let's do
setting
30 seconds. You can skip this part if you want, guys. I'll just wait. 30, 29,
You probably have
28,
horrible audio because he sucks. The
26,
first video.
25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 17, 16,
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
We posted another video today on Fortnite, just so you know.
1.
0.
And it ended,
Okay,
guys.
guys.
Okay,
Ready?
so
Ready, guys? Okay.
we're gonna be pulling it out today, right now.
Nothing really happened to it. It just like
It's crispy by itself. Look at this. Look
Guys,
at this, crispy. Crispy, medium rare. Crispy, come get your crispies.
medium rare.
There's crispies.
Guys,
Okay, so-
nothing really happened to
nothing really happened.
guys, I'm gonna go get something, so I'll be just putting my stuff right there.
Okay, so now Logan's gonna eat it.
Oh God, it's like a rock.
He has an apple in his mouth, Logan.
Like a rock.
Yeah, it's like a rock. That looks tasty.
Yeah.
So sorry if our audio's bad and our video's bad because this is our first one and it's, yeah, we suck. So, guys, now we're gonna wait for this to cool down. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna
No.
try it. Let's.
No, stop.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna put a granola bar into it. Okay.
There's really gonna be only one person's like ever gonna watch this.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Let's eat it, guys.
Okay, no one's gonna watch this. No, we need to heat up the granola.
No, we're not gonna heat up the granola bar. Okay.
You need to stab it. You need to stab it.
No, we don't. No. Okay. Guys, this is what it. Wait, can you see it? No, you can't. Okay. This is my disgusting glue. Max, you're trying some too. Not the granola bar. That wouldn't do anything to. Oh! Oh! Yuck! That was disgusting. Your turn, Max. Wanna try some? Yeah.
You're gonna burn yourself.
Yeah, yummy. Yummy.
This might be our last.
Hi, Lexington.
Guys, this is our first video. Probably gonna be our last video.
No, it's not gonna be our last video. We're gonna play some Fortnite Battle Royale next video. So yeah, that's been popular lately.
I hit this.
Yeah, it's coming out today in a couple hours. So
Like 0 subscribers.
yeah, Logan, try to be confident. Be confident. Let's see. As you can see, this is a disgusting treat. You can make it at home.
Disgusting and very
You can eat it at home. It tastes really yummy, and it's called a special.
What are you doing?
We're making a YouTube video.
Oh, that's pretty gross.
We tried it. It tastes yummy.
It's disgusting.
What are you putting into our yummy glue? Okay, that's it for today.
That's it for today, guys.
Okay,
Be
bye.
back for another video.
Come back for another video.
Chronicles. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe,
Subscribe
and turn
now.
up that bell.
Okay, bye.